Hi guys, I'm Jeff with Life Meet Lightning. I just wanted to give a quick introduction, tell you a little bit about what this channel's about. A wise person told me just a little while ago that your target audience should be you about 5, 6 years ago. So a little bit about me. About 5 or 6 years ago, I really started getting into electronics, and I found it hard because I would see all these projects and stuff on YouTube that I really wanted to do, but I felt a little lost about the information and knowledge that I needed to know in order to be able to do that kind of stuff. So the main focus of this channel starting out is to do a curriculum basically showing you what I've learned over the past 5 years. Since that time, I've gone to school. I went to college for electromechanical technology, and I've learned a lot over the past 5 or 6 years. And the goal of this channel to start out with is just to show you kind of what I've learned over the past 5 or 6 years and really go in depth so you actually feel comfortable if you're like me 5 years ago and you just wanted to do projects, all these cool projects you see in YouTube all the time, whether it's a popular video right now is the American Ninja Warrior Squirrel Course I saw. It has like 18 million views on YouTube. Go check that out. I'm sure you can find it. But, that kind of stuff with the microcontrollers, Arduino, the solenoids and air cylinders and stuff they use on that video. I felt lost when I was starting out, because that's the kind of stuff I wanted to get into and the stuff that I wanted to do. So again, the goal of this channel is just to, start off making a very in-depth curriculum. I've got a outline of like 200 topics I'm planning to cover. Might take me a while to get through it all, but that's the goal of this channel. So like, subscribe, comment, stick around because there's going to be a lot of great content coming up. Again, I'm Jeff with Life Meet Lightning, and I'll see you in the next video.